Hello everyone! Once again, this is Miss Rachel, and now I'm going to demonstrate how to insert text and pictures and format text in HTML using the JDOODLE online editor. When you say text formatting, meaning you're going to change the font type, font, or we can call it the font face. One of the examples are we have the Times New Roman, Arial, and Algerian. You can also change the font size, and you can also change the font color. When you say font style formatting, you're going to darken the text, italicize, and underline. And now, here is the output of inserting pictures and text formatting in HTML using the JDOODLE online editor. How to do this? In your browser, you type jdoodle.com. Don't forget to sign in. Sign in with Google. Sign in with your active account or just choose your active account. So example this one. Then after that, you click HTML and JavaScript. Here is the built-in codes of HTML. So you can erase this one because this is CSS. CSS is cascading style sheets in which you will learn this in the next level. And now let's start to code. As you noticed here, we have here the built-in tags HTML. If you will erase this, you cannot erase because this is built-in JDOODLE. Like this one, HTML opening tag, and then we have here the closing, then body here, opening, closing. Okay, but here in the body you must need to have the closing tag. But here it doesn't have closing tag, it will still work. Alright, let's start putting the title. Write the title tag and then my web page. So that is your title, and then inside the body you write H1. So in my previous video, HTML has 6 headings. We have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. H1 is the largest heading, so I want to use H1. H1, I want to put welcome to JDOODLE.com. And let's see what will happen. Or execute now. So we have here welcome JDOODLE.com. I forgot to write the 2. Welcome to JDOODLE.com. Now I'm going to apply the text formatting. I want to put color. So I will do first the font color, font face, and then font size. Okay, start with the font color. So how to do that? Write font color equals. Remember, if you use equal, there must be a double quote. And then I want to use green. Then the right angle bracket. Then this is the opening, and this is the closing. you cut this one by pressing the Ctrl X and then put it here as your closing tag. Then let's try. Okay, so it is now green. Now I want to change the font. Just put the tag here, font space color equals green, then put a space. Just write face equals, okay, example, Algerian. Let's see what will happen. Execute now. Right, so this is now Algerian. So if you notice, heading 1 is naturally bigger because heading 1 is the largest headings in the HTML. So again, we have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So this is H1. This is the biggest in size. So if you want to make it bigger, so you put here size equals, then just put example 5. Then we'll see what will happen. Execute now. So it's bigger now. And now I'm going to write heading 2. So H2 automatically, after writing the right angle bracket, the JDOODLE will going to give you the closing tag. And then I'm going to write inserting pictures, and text formatting in HTML. To make your web page quite appealing, you can add some horizontal rule, you can add pictures. So how to make a horizontal rule? In my previous video, the tag is HR. Okay, so the default color of HR is just gray, like this one, horizontal rule. But if you want to put color, you can have color. HR is space color equals, I want blue. So again, there is equal sign, so there must be a double quote. So HR color space blue, and then I want to horizontal rule. So just copy this one, you highlight, Ctrl C to copy, and Ctrl V to paste. Then bring it down. Then inside, just put the image tag in order for you to insert pictures. Since JDOODLE.com is an online editor, so the pictures that we're going to insert here is also from online. So, but the code is the same. So write the code here, still the same. IMG stands for image, then space SRC or source. SRC stands for the source. Then equal sign, then the double quote. Then inside the double quote, you insert the link of that image that taken from the website. Example, in your browser, I want to insert pictures. So there are kinds of pictures. We have the GIF, the JPEG, the PNG. So I want GIF because I want moving pictures. So here I type globe.gif because I want moving pictures, and then I want a globe without background. So how will you know that that picture is no background? So as you could see here, there is a black. So this is GIF with background. How about this one? So there is no background. You can use this and also this one. Alright, so how about this? Now I want to use this one. Okay, so as you could see here, it's a moving pictures with no background. So how to get this link and insert this to JDOODLE? Just right click and then copy image address and then go to your online editor. Then here image space src, so src, that is source, and then inside the double quote you paste. Okay, you paste the image address by pressing the Ctrl V, and then let's see what will happen. Just click execute now. So that is the result. So as you can see, it's quite big, and then the horizontal rule is not visible, the other horizontal rule, because the picture is too big. So what will you do? Inside the image tag, image src space src, then here is the image link. So after the double quote, you write width or height. So I want to write width of the picture. Width equals, so you put width from 1 to 10. So I want to use 5. So let's see what will happen. Click execute now. So this one, it's quite small. So to make it bigger, I want to put width of 100, and then don't forget to put the right angle bracket, and then let's see what will happen. So click execute now. Alright, this is it. So as you can see here, there are two horizontal rules. So this one, first horizontal rule, and then this one, and then the image. Then after the horizontal rule, I want to write a paragraph. Right? P is the tag for paragraph. So after writing again the right angle bracket, the JDOODLE will going to give you the closing tag. I want to write HTML is fun. Right, let's see what will happen. Click execute now. Alright, this is it. Now I want to write another paragraph. So I want to write it here. Just copy this one to save time. Ctrl C to copy, and then Ctrl V to paste. And I want to put I love HTML. Then execute. Here it is. This is paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. Now I want to apply the formatting style. So I want to make this first paragraph, I want to darken the text. So to darken the text is just simply write B for bold, and then this is opening, closing. So you cut this, Ctrl X to cut, then put it here. Right, then execute. So it's now darkened. To italicize, simply write I for italic. Okay, so you cut again the closing and then put it here, closing tag. Execute. Now the text is italicized already. Then for underline, simply write U for underline. This is the closing tag. You cut it and then you paste it here. Execute. Okay, it's already underlined. To make your web page quite appealing, you can put some text alignment. In HTML, the text alignment is just simply write. Example, if you want to put in the center, so just write center. So I want to put the heading 1 and heading 2 into center, into the middle. So where is my heading 1? Heading 1 is this one. So I want to put center here. So in HTML, it's just center. Okay, so put the closing tag. You cut this one. I want to put the heading 1 and heading 2 into the center. So put the closing tag after the heading 2, this one. Then so opening, closing, meaning you just want to put the heading 1 and heading 2 into the center. So execute now. Alright, this is it. The heading 1, heading 2 is now in the center. Then if you want to put background color, so you can do that. Okay, so here in the body, you put it here. So the tag for putting the background color, body background color, is just in HTML is just body BG. BG stands for background. BG color equals, example, yellow. Then don't forget the closing tag, or don't forget the right angle bracket, so that the JDOODLE will give you the closing tag. So you cut this one and paste it here. Right. So in the body, since you wrote BG color equals yellow, so your body background will be yellow. Then execute now. What will happen? Alright, so this is it. Your body background now is now yellow. And then if you want to put direction of this, the globe, from left to right, then right to left, you can put marquee. Right, so the image here, just in HTML, just write marquee. Again, after putting the right angle bracket, JDOODLE will give you the closing tag, this one, and then you cut it and then you put it here, because you want the picture to move from one direction to another. Left to right, right to left is the default direction. So click execute now. This is it. The globe is now moving from right to left, and then it will move from left to right. However, you can also put direction in the text. So I want to write marquee direction here. Marquee is direction equals, example, up. Then the right angle bracket, you cut this and then you put it here. If you want to move from up down, it looks like revolving, so you copy this one and then you paste it here. Then you put this, the second marquee, as down. Right, so this is it. You click execute and then see what will happen. Alright, so it's moving up, down, up, down. Alright, this is inserting pictures and text formatting in HTML with some added tags like marquee and horizontal rule. Now it's time to save your work. Click the three dots beside the execute button and click save as. project name is and inserting pictures and text formatting. Now that you're done saving, you can send the link to whom you want to give your link. Click the three dots beside the execute button and then click editable share, and then you copy this link. You can send this link through Messenger or through email. That's it. You are done. Thank you for watching.